Sparrows. Sparrows is the common name for a group of small seed-eating birds distributed in the tropical regions of the Old World and Australasia. These birds are now included in the tribe Astrilidae, although some consider this group to be a sub-tribe Astrilidae, part of the broader tribe Passeridae. Previously, this group of birds was placed in the Manyarman tribe Placide. Types of sparrows, including bandles and wrens, like to gather in groups and are often seen moving and looking for food in quite large flocks. These birds are similar in stature and habits, but the color of their feathers varies quite a lot. The smallest size is Nesicara shelley, whose body length is around 8.3 centimeters, 3.3 inches. Although the lightest is Astrelda troglodytes, 6 grams. Meanwhile, the largest is the Javan wren pata or Rizivora, whose body length is 17 centimeters, 6.7 inches, and weighs 25 grams. Most sparrows cannot tolerate cold climates and require warm habitats, such as those in tropical regions. However, there are also a small number of types that have adapted to the cold environment in southern Australia. Pipits lay 4 to 10 white eggs, which are stored in their nests in the form of grass balls. The one here is a bondal sparrow. Bondal is a type of small bird belonging to the Lonchura genus Astrilidae family. Previously, this genus was included in the Manyar-Manyan tribe Placide. This genus lives widely in Africa and southern Asia, from India and Sri Lanka east to Indonesia and the Philippines. In general, bondals are also widely known as sparrows. In English, these birds are known as munia, or Minia mannikin, from Dutch mannekej, little person, or silverbills, referring to their lead-colored or silvery beaks.